Hi guys, it's me Alderman, and today we're going to be doing Python, and the program's name will be odd or even. So the main thing we're going to do today is find out how to program a program, a program that identifies numbers if they're odd or even. So let's start. So first, you open up a new file in Python, new file, and then I'm in a new file right now. So now you have to put a variable, so the user will type in, and then you're gonna say the integer. You're getting the input from the user right now, so input, and then you're gonna, this is gonna, inside this you're gonna say what you're gonna say. Enter a number like that, give a space so we can type, and another bracket to close the whole thing. If the number that the user gives is even, you have to say that if a, the input that the user gives, is divided by 2 equals 0, you have to put 2 equal signs, and then say print that the a, which is the number, don't put it inside the quotations. After, put a comma and then put the quotations, and I'm gonna say is a even number, is an even number, and you can say whatever you want, like is even, is a number that is even. Okay. And then after this, we're gonna put else. So what if it is not an even number? So if it's not an even number, the only choice is a odd number. So we're gonna say a, the variable again, comma, quotations, is an odd number, and finish the quote and finish it up. And after you're done, you go to run. At the top there's like 7 buttons, and one of them is the run, and in there's 4 types: check module, Python shell, run customized, run module. We're gonna click run module. You have to say OK. If it says source must be saved, OK to save, and then just say odd or even pro, what do you say? And then now we're gonna type some random numbers in. I typed 2 for example for you guys. They're big numbers, and so let's type in some, just like a 1-digit number. No, it's all the way here. So I'll just type in 1. It's gonna say a non-number. Say you wanna do another one. You'll go to open the odd or even program. Go to run module. I'm gonna say 10957 nothing. I don't know. I just time. So how this is saying it's an odd number is that if the last digit ends in an even number, it's an even number, and how it's saying that is because the last digit ends in a 0, and 0 is an even number, so that's how it's saying it. So let's type in an odd number, a big odd number. So let me go to file, open, odd or even pro, run module. We're gonna say a number that ends in an odd number. Oh, sorry. So a number that ends in a, not there. Still? Okay. Okay, there. So I'll just say something. I'm just giving something random, but it's gonna end in an odd number. So see, the last digit is an odd number. You see that 1 is an odd number here, even though it's so big, you can identify it very easily because one is a one-digit number, and you have it's the how you're gonna identify it is based on the last digit. So if it's odd or even, that depends on the last digit of the number. And this is a one digit, so just gonna focus on the one digit. And that's it today, guys, for today. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.